Alrighty, we're here at Bloomingdale's.
I'm dying.
The A series at high security at Bloomingdale's, Tysons Corner Center, Tysons, Virginia.
Like how low the ceiling is. You're like 6 foot, and it's you could easily touch that.
Yes.
I'm like 5. I'm like 5 foot, and I could touch it. Oh fuck.
Haha, I could touch it. You're too short. You're probably like 4'7".
I'm an inch away. There, we got it. There we go.
Louis Vuitton, Gucci.
This thing has insane door problems.
Okay. Oh, I can see.
Sometimes the sensors don't work. Slim. Nope, doesn't do it anymore. Low in oil.
We're going on just a little bit.
That panel look at that. Idiot. Oh my god, what is that phone box?
Tissue cup uplink phone.
Let me get a look at the buttons.
I want to take this thing for another ride.
Push you all, see if that lantern works.
It's not gonna work.
Maybe it chimes.
We're almost just to the far.
At least it chimed. Yeah, look at that door. That's what happens when Mac door equipment.
Alright, motor. Yep, we are low on oil.
We'll end at UL, because that's how you can access the other elevator.
I want to end down here, actually.
Alright, maybe I'll just take this back up. Here.
A series fixtures. We already looked at the phone. Capacity 2,500.
Look at those beautiful doors. Bro, look at that. Look. Wonderful.
There it goes.